Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be looking at some IPS pliers made in Japan, and this company's been going since 1940, so quite an old company. As usual, the Japanese tools always come really nicely presented. I like the packaging, always looks cool, and the tools themselves always pristine. Never had any issues with any of the Japanese tools. So these are the NWH175 soft touch Neos they're called, and they're classed as water pump pliers, but obviously good to use on a lot of different things. This bit here just says that they have a cationic electro-deposition coating. It's not easy to say, and that it's 10 times better than nickel chrome. So I thought it was paint at first, but it's not. It's this coating that they talk about. Again, it's flawless, not a mark on it at all. I don't know how long it lasts, whether it chips like paint or whether it's a lot tougher, not sure. PVC handle, looks like it's dipped because it conforms exactly to the shape of the metal underneath. It's a strange handle, it's grippy, sort of tacky but not sticky, if that makes sense. Has a nice feel to it, obviously what this soft touch business is here. This says it doesn't damage the objects you're gripping, strongest grip force, and these pliers grab what they pinch without damaging. This here in this hexagon just says that it's a spring driven release, and in the first setting I've noticed that these open to 38mm. Back is much the same. This just says here that this is a continuing series from the 1980s, the soft touch series, and you've got a spare set of jaws in there. So these come with like a rubber jaw that you can take off, and obviously that's so that you can grab something like this, like a pipe or something a bit softer, and not leave any teeth marks in it, but you can still get a real good grip on it. They do come off, they slide off. You have to release, there's like a little tab at the back here, you release that. Not the easiest thing to take off, but once you release that you can then slide that off, and underneath you've got teeth. There are teeth inside there which seem to marry up really well with these teeth, so I imagine you're going to get a decent amount of grip. So teeth are nice and sharp, nice and straight. Again, absolutely fantastically made, and it looks like they have these little notches cut in as well, which a lot of these type of tools do, and I think it's so that when you grab in a nut like that, you're not actually going to damage the corners, because it doesn't, if you can see there, it doesn't actually touch the corners. It's gripping on those four edges and not the corners, top and bottom. Obviously you would take this one off as well, you wouldn't just take one off, you'd take both, but yeah, it looks like they'll give you a really decent amount of grip. Nice handy pliers to have, soft touch or not soft touch. Now the spring driven part of it is inside here, it lives in this bit. On the first setting, just goes backwards and forwards. It has a stop here which stops it trapping your fingers, so basically you just use it like you would a normal pair of pliers. Now in the first setting, when you drop it down into that, it engages a spring inside here, which means that you don't have to have your fingers on the inside, and you can just open and close it like that and it'll open on its own. Same for setting number 2, and then setting number 3. So on setting number 3, the jaws are, let's have a look, they are 53, it looks like about 53. So it goes from 38 there to 53, so quite a decent size. Nice adjustable pliers. They're only very short as well, but you still get plenty of grip, and you can put plenty of force on the jaws. But yeah, I just think they're a really nice set of pliers. Can't remember how much I paid for them, but it was less than £10. I think it was £8.48 from what I remember. But yeah, what a nice set of pliers. Almost a shame to use them, because I imagine this will probably wear off fairly quickly, the writing. What do you think? IPS, not a brand I've had before, but I thought I'd give them a go. Let me know what you think. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe, comment. It helps grow the channel, and we can start doing a few more giveaways. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.